Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have another one of my monthly kits. I was deciding whether or not I was going to subscribe to this, and it automatically subscribed. So so here we go. So I do get the 3-month subscription. So this is month 1, and I'm going to have to decide if I want to resubscribe to it in a couple of months. But anyway, and hopefully I won't forget, and we'll see if I continue this, because I was kind of leaning toward discontinuing it. All right, so here we go. So here's the little freebie. You can use those. You can cut those out. All right, and then here is the kit itself. At least the color scheme is more to my liking. So that's what it looks like. So let's take a look at what we got this month. All right, so busy making things, capture this moment, out and about, remember this, love this idea, slow down, journaling time. I like this one. So I am not upset that I have this. Actually, I probably would have been irritated if I didn't have this, because I like this one a lot. Okay, and then we got 2 washi tape samples. I do like this color scheme, so I'm happy about that. I don't know what it is about that. It just makes me feel like it's retro. All right, and then so you can also cut this apart and use these if you do memory keeping, or you just do journaling, whatever. You can use it for either one. All right, so let's see. Let's take a look at our stickers. All right, so so these are clear stickers. I really like clear stickers because you can really do whatever you want. You can see underneath them and all that. I like those a lot. Very cute. And this one is paperback stickers. These are cute too. And these are supposed to look like washi strips. They're okay. They're not my favorite, but I will try to use it. I do like sentiment stickers. And I really like the colors on this one. And then alphas. I hardly use alphas. And then we got memos. These are neat. Okay, so this is not a bad kit. I like it. I just don't feel like I get a good value. She does great work. I love her work. I don't know. But anyway, I just thought that I would share with you guys what came in my kit, and I'd love to hear what you think. And I really want to use, I'm going to use that one. I can see myself using that snap set a lot. But anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. And I would love to hear what you think, and I will talk to you later. Bye.